Hi, I'm going to show you how to put an iCloud Drive icon onto your desktop. This is something that I've wanted to do for a while, and I didn't get around to in the ways that I found to do it on the internet didn't quite work for me, or had a few gotchas. And then I was going to set up my mom with iCloud Drive, so that kind of drove me to figure something else out. So, normally you activate it from the Go menu, and then in the Finder, I should say that, and you go to iCloud Drive and your iCloud Drive pops up. What I noticed though was that there's also a key command, which I suppose you could do, but I don't do it. There's so many damn key commands to remember. So what I did was I thought, well, maybe I could make a script that fires off that key command, and I've never messed with AppleScript before, but I did, and it's pretty straightforward if you Google around. If you go to Launchpad and then go to this other folder, you're going to open Script Editor. Okay, and we're going to want a new document. And what we need to do is, the first thing you need to do is activate our Finder, because that's where we're sending the key command to. So if some other app is active, then it's going to get the key command and do something different or nothing at all. So after that, then we're going to want to tell our system events that we want to send it keystrokes. For this tell, you actually have to end it, unlike our first one. So to send keystrokes, all you do is type keystroke, and we're going to send it an I. And then when the I is clicked, we also want to send that our two command keys are being held down. So those are command down and shift down. So this line will send all three keys simultaneously. When I first tried this, it wasn't working, and that's because the Finder would become active at almost the exact same time that these keystrokes would happen, and so they wouldn't fire. So what I did was I put in a delay command, and that lets the Finder window activate, wait 0.2 seconds, and then do the keystrokes. So let's go ahead and save that. Hopefully I didn't have any typos. One key is, instead of saving it as a script, which would relaunch this script editor, save it as an application. And then we can just double click it and it'll launch and run the script for us. So name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it iCloud Drive. I'm going to save that, and I'm going to test it here. Because in a previous video I didn't test it, and I got to the end and had to redo this because I had mistyped activate. Okay, so I just ran the script. It launched our iCloud Drive, which was nice. So I'm going to close this guy. And now if you don't want this boring default script icon, what you can do is, luckily for me, this is an app that goes with my keyboard, and I thought it looked, has a cloud that works. So go ahead and do get info or command I. This is actually an icon. Go ahead and select it. And you're not able to right click here, but you can do Command C and copy it, or go up to there and copy. And let's go to this and get info and select that and then paste. And see, you can see our icon changed to a cloud. And there's lots of different ways to find icons or make your own or get one from an app that makes you think of the iCloud Drive. So now I'll go ahead and demo this. So you can see we double click it and our iCloud Drive opens up, which is nice. And then one thing to keep in mind is I was having an issue where when I would double click, if I moved my mouse after that, I think that the mouse movement must have interfered with the key command or stopped the key command from being processed. But right now I'm not having that issue, but if you do on your system, that's a possible issue. So what you would need to do is just double click and don't move the mouse off the icon. But right now it's working. Okay, thanks for watching.